Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up MetaTrader 5 platform on macOS. To begin, visit our website, navigate to the platform menu, and under the MT5 platform section, select macOS. On this page, you will see the option to download the macOS version of MT5. Click on macOS compatible MT5 download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file and go through the installation process. Open the MT5 application, search for IS6 and select IS6 Technologies Ltd. Enter your login details, which you can find in your email address. Click on Sign In. Congratulations! You have set up MetaTrader 5 for macOS. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!